Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play.
Welcome back to Anointed Lady TV. Welcome back to your #1 channel for legit news on politics and many other cocoa with the sub for inside this our great country. So we be Nigeria. Now, as usual, we don't come back with breaking news. We don't come back with updates. We don't come back with fresh reports where we go like share give the general public. And the cocoa now be say our president Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu recently in Komasai come make one interesting declaration, and that declaration be say there is no more corruption in our green country Nigeria. And then he can give credit to the reforms of his administration. That is, thanks to the things and things we don't come board during this his administration, and those things and things we come board don't usher in waiting our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu they describe as a new era of accountability and transparency. And our president they yarn all these levels for inside Brasilia during a 2-day state visit to Brazil. And no be lie, my good people. Now, President Luiz Inácio Lula da Silva, man will be the president of Brazil. Now invite our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu come Brazil. And for inside this 2-day visit, Nadia both countries can sign 5 memoranda of understanding to strengthen bilateral cooperation. And normally, my good people, since now a 2-day visit, our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu go get time to talk about his administration, talk about we nation Nigeria, talk about every other thing concerning the partnership and every other level. And when the opportunity finally come for him to make his remark, for him to talk something, our president can yarn say the reforms he embark on since he assumed office as president of we nation Nigeria has been very much impactful. Although it was painful at the beginning, but the results now don't blossom. The reforms now don't begin to bear fruit. Now we nation Nigeria don't get more resources for the economy, and there is no more corruption in the land. The Central Bank of Nigeria has been repositioned, and access to foreign exchange is very much transparent. Speculators are out, and our currency market is now open for businesses. After our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu don yarn all these levels finish, time can reach for the president of Brazil to talk his own. And during his own remarks, he now can describe the renewed Nigeria-Brazil engagement as timely. He now can let men know. Say the partnership was very much vital in an era of growing global protectionism. Still, according to how the talk take aside from President Lula mouth, he said at a time when protectionism and unilateralism don't return, Nigeria and Brazil they reaffirm their bets on free trade and productive integration. And they go continue to dedicate themselves to building a world of peace, a world free from hegemonic impositions. This, my good people, now the remarks of President Luiz Inácio Lula da Silva, the president of Brazil. And this agreement where the two nations don't sign so for inside Brasilia, it cover key areas of cooperation. Areas where they include a bilateral air service agreement, plus diplomatic training and political consultations, plus collaboration in science, plus technology and innovation, as well as trade and investment promotion, with a focus on agriculture. And the men from we nation Nigeria will answer present during the signing of this agreement. They include the Minister of Aviation and Aerospace Development, Maudi go by the name Festus Keyamo, plus the Minister of State for Foreign Affairs, Ambassador Bianca Ojukwu, plus the Minister of Innovation, Science and Technology, Godfrey Inaji, and the Managing Director of the Bank of Agriculture, Ayo Sotorin, alongside their Brazilian counterparts there. And as I'm talking to you right now, my good people, this our nation Nigeria, now Brazil, their 49th largest export destination, with trade between the two countries reaching $2.1 billion for inside the year 2024. And now, my good people, anyhow this report be you for body, or if you be say get things and things to talk about the statement about the remarks of our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu as in they declare say corruption no dey our nation Nigeria, feel free make you put am inside our comment section. Meanwhile, me still get on that report for table where I still need share give the general public. And the cocoa this time around be say the All Progressive Congress don't declare say our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu go secure re-election for the year 2027. Regardless of who they become the next chairman of the Independent National Electoral Commission, where we know as INEC. And the person wey dey yarn this one so na the national secretary of the APC, countryman wey dey go by the name Ajibola Basiru, and dey yarn all this level during one interview wey im get with tori people. And as usual, this APC chieftain im yarn plenty during this interview. According to how the talk take come aside from im mouth, the ruling APC is not concerned about the identity of the new electoral umpire. That is, even if men change the INEC chairman, the APC are not bothered at all. And no be lie, my good people, the tenure of the current chairman of the Independent National Electoral Commission, Professor Mahmood Yakubu, is expected to expire this year, maybe 2025. And reports now don dey ground. Those reports dey indicate say consultations are on the way to find the replacement of Oga Mahmood Yakubu. Now, responding to the suggestions, say APC might seek to influence the process. That is, APC now want put hand to by themselves select a new chairman of INEC. Now, sake of those suggestions wey dey ground, sake of those reports, Oga Basiru now don come outside, dey dismiss the claims, dey dismiss the suggestions and every other levels. And dey yarn say the ruling party APC no get any role in selecting an electoral referee. Nothing concern them concerning the selection of a new INEC chairman. Make nobody dey drag them come the matter. And he come dey argue say na the responsibility of civil society groups and the National Assembly to recommend a new chairman for the electoral body. But my good people, no forget, say the National Assembly na APC na be majority. Na APC members na full for there. But that one no mean say them now go come make sure say the thing go in favor of their party. But Oga Basiru now dey maintain, him now dey let men dey know, say the strength of APC e dey lie in their ability to mobilize voters for President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's re-election. And in fact, after the APC don mobilize finish, even if the new INEC chairman, im son, dey contest for presidency, or even if the new INEC chairman, im papa, dey contest for presidency under another party, dem no go fit still defeat Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu for inside the year 2027. This, my good people, na the talk wey come aside from the mouth of Ajibola Basiru, and he na the national secretary of the All Progressive Congress. And this na the information wey I wan share give the general public. Now, anyhow this matter be you for body, or if e be say you get contributions, no let anybody or anything stop or intimidate you. Feel free make you put down your contribution inside our comment section. Once again, now we be Anointed Lady TV. Now they like giving our legit news on politics and many other kuku wey dey sup for inside this our green white green country, so we be Nigeria. And now if you be say you like this report, if you be say you like this update and you go like to dey receive more, then sharply make you subscribe to this channel and don't forget to put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring more news, they come your side, now you go first receive the update and you go even get them sharp. Now me they go bring more news, me they go bring more reports, me they go bring more information for you, my good people. Try make it no go anywhere.